What's up, gang? Good morning to you. Listen, I'm feeling good today. I got up today, morning routine, did my weekly review, went over what did I do this week? What did I do this week? What did I accomplish? Did I accomplish what I set out to do? Did I get lazy on certain days? Did I slack off on some of my goals? And and just basically an accountability of how focused I stayed this week. One of the things I told you guys I was going to do was 2 videos a day. So I definitely did 2 videos a day. I told you I want to ramp it up to 3. So some of the days I did 3 videos, and some of the days I didn't do 3 videos. So in saying that, this week I plan on beginning the week and ending the week with 3 videos a day. I'm gonna start marking them off to show myself a little bit of accountability on those videos. But anyway, what I wanted to get into today was I was cleaning up my bookshelf and I seen an old book. Um, I figured I'd check it out, read it, right? So that's the book. It's also by Napoleon Hill. You guys also know that I'm really rocking and rolling with Think and Grow Rich once again. And good things in this book. And I'm gonna tell you something about a book, right? You could read the book, you could go through the material, understand the material, but if you don't immediately put it into play in your life, then it's going to do you no good. You're just going to have a head full of knowledge, okay? And having a head full of knowledge, sometimes it could paralyze you. So don't be paralyzed. Read a little something in the book and then act it out, See how it comes through in your life. And that's what you have to do. You have to kind of go through life learning and doing in order to develop into the person that you need to become. See, if you're just learning and learning, you're just going to have just a bunch of knowledge and you're not going to be a person of action. And in order to have the life that you want, you have to be a person of action. So reading is very, very important. Learned that from one of my mentors, how important reading is, because just the amount of knowledge that you continually gain. But more important than that is doing what you read, putting it in action in your life. So guys, don't just be a reader, be a doer. Okay? So be a doer. So I want to throw these fundamentals at you guys real quick that I read on faith. And it is powerful. Now, first thing that I want to tell you guys was it says, when the mind is cleared of negative mental attitude, the power of faith moves in and begins to take possession. Look at that. A lot of you guys don't believe that you can achieve what you want. You're afraid to set that goal real big. You're afraid to 10x it. That's your negative mental attitude that's blocking your belief. So you got to get rid of that. I'm doing that daily by doing my self-confidence formula and reading my goals out loud to myself every day. That's one thing. And just the fundamentals of faith. I'm gonna give that to you real quick, and that's it. You write these down, okay, and you understand them, and you study them, and you learn them, okay. Definiteness of purpose is the first one. The habit of going the extra mile is the second one. A mastermind alliance. This one right here is so important because it is your circle that you're around, and you need to be around them every single week to discuss important shit. All right. The next one is the positive mind. You got to stay positive. Okay. The next one is recognition of the truth that every adversity carries with it a seed, okay, of an equivalent benefit. Meaning, every time something goes wrong in your life, look at it like this: something good is coming out of this. There's something good coming out of this. No matter what it is that happens in your life, there's always something good coming out of it. All right. The next one is affirming your definite major purpose in life. And I do that every day in front of the mirror. When I say my goals, that is my definite purpose in life. The next one is recognizing the existence of infinite intelligence. Okay. And I go back and forth with this for a while, and then I realized that, wow, what am I doing? And I'm just saying it because I'm not very religious, but I do believe in God and infinite intelligence. And I'm telling you guys, if you don't, if you're atheist, fine with you, but there's a power out there so much stronger, okay, that pulls you through everything that you do in life. And that power exists. For me, it's God. For you, it could be whatever you want, okay? But you got to recognize it. The next thing is having a careful inventory. Okay, inventory of your thoughts, your actions, everything that you do. All right, you need to constantly be writing it down and have an inventory of it. What's going on? The next one is self-respect. All right, you got to have self-respect. All right, and the last one is recognition of oneness of all mankind. Okay, oneness of all mankind just means, hey, listen, we're all the same, we're all alike. So if somebody can achieve something great and do something great, so can you. All right, that means we respect one another. Okay, and we don't try to gain by taking. That's just a bad practice. So hopefully you wrote those tips down and to help you to have a better life and have a great day. I got some writing to do today, and I'm gonna get done because I got a book to finish. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.